Hey, Creations by Courtney here with an unboxing. So in here is a brand new yarn that just released Friday, March 21st, 2025 for Premier Yarns. As an alliance partner, I get to open this with you all, and I will have the details down below. So let's get to it. Is that how they do it? All right, let's crack open this box. All right, let's see. How cute is that box? Oh my gosh. This is so nice, and a handwritten note. Thank you so much, Premier Yarns. Oh my gosh. Hey, look at the inside of the box. So cute. Wow, look at this pouch. Didn't lose count. I'm working on that. Expert Frogger. Oh yeah, definitely have that one. Yarn Chicken, definitely that one. Got Gauge First Time Yarn Hoarder, fluent in pattern abbreviations and whip finisher. Let's see what's inside. This is so cute. There's a good chance that this is full of yarn. Oh my gosh, this is the cutest bag tag. Definitely putting this on a project bag. Oh my gosh, this is so clever. A tiny little notebook with little sticky notes and a little ruler. 5 inches, perfect for checking gauge. Can never have too many tape measures. Inches and centimeters. And it's retractable. Favorite. Ooh. Nice pen with a grip. Can't wait to give this a try. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's look at the yarn. Look at that rainbow. Wow. Okay, so Cotton Sprout, their brand new yarn, and look at it in stripes. Okay, how fun are these colors? So look at how big this cake is, y'all. 874 yards or 800 meters per 200 grams or 7 ounces. And it is 100% cotton and sport weight. This is amazing. Wow. This is a generous amount, and as a crocheter, I absolutely can come up with a pattern, especially with a lace stitch, to make a whole top out of one cake. Now, I fit a medium when you look at standard sizing charts, so if you are size large, you could probably even make something out of this. I mean, I've made tops out of 2 skeins of DK yarn. So I'm so excited to give these a try, and I will let y'all know what I think of it. And in the meantime, check out the information below on where you can get your own Premier Cotton Sprout stripes to give a try. Oh, and if you like these colors, this one is Cornflower Stripe, and this one is Cloud Stripe. Oh, I just love that. Oh my gosh. Okay. Seriously, go check it out. Premier, I've been a fan of theirs for years. Actually, the top I'm wearing is made out of Premier yarns. So I will see y'all soon. Keep stitching.